So our report came out last week and employment was at 205,000. More employment was added to the job market. And also unemployment went up by 4.1%. Inflation is not yet at 2%, which the Fed has been trying to bring it up. It's still at 3.3%. What is the implication of all these things I just mentioned? It just shows that because the Fed wants unemployment rate to go up, and that's what is currently happening. But at the same time, employment is also coming up. So I really don't know what the Fed is going to do at this point, because it's a two-way sword. They want more people to be unemployed so that the spending power will reduce. People will have less money to spend, and that will help inflation come down. But they are seeing that happening, and at the same time, they are also saying that the job market is still going up and all that. We really don't know at this point what the Fed is going to do, but it feels to me like we're getting to that point where the interest rate might either remain this way for a while or just cool off a little. Maybe the Fed might bring it down slightly lower before the end of the year, because if the unemployment rate increases, there's a probability that the Fed will consider reducing the interest rate. I'm not even taking into factor that election is coming. That also plays a role. I recently did a video about that, the implication of election on the market, on the Fed, the interest rate. How would that affect the buying power, the spending power, or the interest rate as we keep going? So we'll keep watching and studying the market to see how this will affect our decision going forward. One thing we do at Blue Ocean is to constantly study our market to know how this will directly affect our deals or deals we have in our pipeline and all that, because all these things play a tangible role in acquiring deals, or why we should or why we should not acquire a deal and all that. So we are constantly monitoring the market to see where the direction is going at every point in time. If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, Blue Ocean Multifamily Group, then you are missing out on content that will help you on your multifamily journey. And also subscribe and like my Facebook group, which is Blue Ocean Multifamily Group. I look forward to seeing you all.